Dreaming of a peaceful, sustainable garden that blends rustic charm with modern style? Today, I'll show you how to create your own eco-friendly garden oasis, perfect for relaxing, growing your own food, and supporting local wildlife. Stick around for easy DIY tips, plant recommendations, and budget-friendly ideas. Section 1. Plan your garden. First, observe your space. Check sunlight, soil, and climate. Pick native plants. They need less water and care while helping local wildlife. Use permaculture principles, group plants by water needs, add compost, and recycle materials. This saves time and keeps your garden thriving naturally. Section 2. Rustic-Modern Decor. Rustic modern style mixes natural wood, stone, and metal. Try reclaimed wood planters, gravel paths, and simple metal accents for a clean yet cozy look. Add solar lights, a small water feature, or upcycled decor. Keep it minimal but warm, less clutter, more nature. Section 3. Eco-friendly tips. Save water with rain barrels and drought-resistant plants. Mulch to keep soil moist and reduce weeds. Compost kitchen scraps for free fertilizer. Invite pollinators with lavender, sunflowers, or herbs. A sustainable garden helps the planet while looking gorgeous. Section 4. Easy Care Plants. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents, ornamental grasses, and herbs like rosemary or thyme. They're tough, pretty, and need little attention. Climbing plants like ivy or jasmine add height and greenery without much work. Perfect for fences or trellises. Section 5. Simple DIY Projects. Upcycle old items into planters, use crates, jars, or even tires. A pallet vertical garden is great for small spaces and herbs. Paint or stain wood for a polished look. These projects are cheap, easy, and make your garden unique. That's it. Your rustic, modern, sustainable garden is within reach. Which tip will you try first? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more simple gardening ideas. Happy planting!